Morning, guys. Today I will be teaching you how to create brush ID in Photoshop. So first thing you need to do is you need to have your Photoshop here. You click on File, Open, and then select a picture that you wanted to uh, make your Photoshop with. I mean, the picture, your subject. Please use your own pictures. All right. So as for me, I'll use this one. Then after that, I'll click. Let's go ahead and go Control plus and Control minus will be the zoom in, zoom out. Okay. We'll crop this area here. So we'll click on crop. Right click, then crop. All right. Then after that, you can just drag here whatever you wanted to crop, and then after that, press enter. Once done, we need to click magnetic lasso tool. Click magnetic lasso tool, right click, magnetic lasso tool, then click control plus first, and click here to trace. Just click, and then it will just magnet for you guys. There's no need for you to click and click and click. Just click once, and it will just magnet for you. If you mess up, go backspace. Okay. After that, you can press enter, and then right click, select inverse. Right click, select inverse, and select inverse. Then we'll go to brush tool, click on brush tool, and then change the diameter or the size of the brush. Then change the color to white, click this one here, and again click this here, and then click the white background, and then drag so that the background will change to white. Okay, for the sake of instruction, I will change the background to blue, to red, for the sake of instruction, but in your end it should be white. Okay. If you mess up, you just have to press Control Z. Control Z is undo. Okay, once done, press Control D, that's deselect, and click Move Tool. Right after that, we'll change this, put this in the bond paper. So we click on, we do this, File, New, preset is US paper, and letter. Click OK, and you have your bond paper. So we'll transfer this picture to this tab by right-click on the background, on the layer part, right-click, duplicate layer. Make sure the tab is, or the destination of this one will be on the next one, untitled one, then press OK. After that, it will be successfully transferred here. Right, again, for you so that you can move the picture, make sure you click this part here. Okay. Then after that, you click on Control apostrophe for grid. So Control apostrophe for grid. And after that, you press Control T for transform. Control T. You put that on a box, and that's going to be one by one already. Okay, that's one by one. So shortcut key of duplicate is hold Alt click. So you press, you will be holding your Alt button on your keyboard, then drag it to the right. If you want to, make it easier, You can highlight the last two duplicated ID, hold out, and then drag to the right. So that since this two is selected, two are duplicated. So if you want to select everything, okay, you hold Control and then you click each layer, then hold Alt, then drag to drag down. It will duplicate everything. So I will just click one tile and I'll click this one here. Control T again for transform for the 2 by 2. So I'll press enter and again I drag to the right. Right, for that is going to be for your 2 by 2. So I'll select that for I drag down. And that's going to be your I'll press Control apostrophe again to remove the grid. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 2 by 2s and 12 1 by 1s. All right, so again, make sure you're using your own picture for this one. And please don't forget to put your name down below. So in order for us to put a name here, just have to click this T horizontal type tool here at the bottom and put here your name. Say here, and then you can change the font. You can highlight, select all, change the font size here, whatever font style you want to use, and then the font size as well. Here. Okay, you press Move tool again at the top for you to be able to move it wherever you wanted to move it. You can also duplicate this one by pressing Hold Alt and then drag here so that you can, and then after that you click on T and click on this one so that you can edit here. So Rush ID activity. So I click Move tool so that you can move this. I'll click Search TV so that you can move here. So that is our first activity, and that's going to be Rush ID. And I want you guys to how to submit this one. You have to screen record yourself doing your own Rush ID activity and upload this in YouTube. All right, and please use your own picture in doing this activity. Okay, doing pictures aside from yourself is not allowed. All right. So if you have questions, if you have comments, you can click you can comment down below for a description, and I'll be able to assist you. By the way, let's go ahead and save this one. Click on File and Save As, and then let's say you want to save this to documents or pictures. Put a caption, Rush ID, and then change the format to JPEG. Again, format to JPEG. After that, click Save, click OK, and then after that, you just go to Pictures, and this one here. It's a picture format already. So you can upload this in your Facebook, wherever. If you want this to be printed, you can just press Control P. If you have printer in your house, or you just copy this onto your USB, and then you go to internet shop, you want this to be printed on a bond paper. This is the exact size of your bond paper, and it's going to be the same thing will be printed when you print it. All right, so I think that will be all. If you have questions, please comment down below, and expect another activity in Photoshop next week. And you have a great day, guys. Bye.